Hello watchers, today I'm going to talk about one of the most emerging field of 21st century and a technology which is spreading at a rapid rate. Yes, that is data science. So let's get started. There's no denying that data scientist is a hot job title to have right now, and for a good reason. It is a tremendously fun and challenging field to be in, and despite all of the often undeserved hoopla that surrounds it, data scientists are doing some pretty amazing things in the world. So it's no surprise that many people are clamoring to find out how to become a data scientist. Well, we have a master program. So do watch till the end in order to hone your career graph. Data science is a fascinating technology that is rapidly evolving. To keep up with the industry, one needs to be prepared to spend some time doing some research and brushing up on skills and knowledge. Whether you are a professional working in the field of data science or an aspirant who is just getting started, it is always considered to be a good practice to be connected with resources that keep you in touch with the current trends. There are plenty of resources spread across the internet, but they can sometimes get a little overwhelming. Which is why we at EmergenTeck have designed a beautiful course in data science which not only helps in boosting significant skill sets to be a data scientist but will also offer advice and how one can stay connected with trends in data science. Data science as a combination of disciplines. Data science is the act of engineering value from data. I prefer the name data science because it more accurately describes a multidisciplinary blend of data inference, algorithm development, and technology in order to solve analytically complex problems. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. The team data science process (TDSP), which is a life cycle of data science, provides a recommended life cycle that you can use to structure your data science projects. The life cycle outlines the steps from start to finish that projects usually follow when they are executed. The TDSP lifecycle is composed of 5 major stages that are executed iteratively. These stages include business understanding, data acquisition and understanding, modeling, deployment, and customer acceptance. There are tremendous applications of data science in a business. Data scientists find more and more new ways to implement big data solutions in daily life. Nowadays, data is a fuel needed for a successful company. Telecommunication companies are not an exception. Due to these circumstances, they cannot afford not to use data science. Within the telecom industry, data science applications are widely used to streamline the operations, to maximize profits, to build effective marketing and business strategies, to visualize data, to perform data transfer, and for many other cases. Other applications include fraud detection, predictive analytics, customer segmentation, customer churn prevention, lifetime value prediction, network management and optimization, recommendation engines, customer sentiment analysis, real-time analytics, price optimization, healthcare, travel, marketing, social media, and so on, which is a countless list. The course at our institution is designed in such a way that provides the best coverage of important crux not only to become just a data scientist, but the best data scientist in any domain. The course covers all necessary machine learning algorithms from basic to advanced applicable, which are sectioned into various modules to provide detailed understanding of each and every algorithm. Yes, you should definitely choose EmergenTeck to build a career in data science. There are some of the add-ons a student gets after enrolling into data science course at our institution. We believe in pacing up with the latest technology trend, and hence we train our students and make them technically sound so that they can compete professionally and stand out to make a difference and build an impact. For more details regarding data science course, please do check our official website and kindly book your seats by calling on the number and get additional benefits. Thank you so much.